Hello friends, welcome to my channel chemistry.com. In my previous video I discussed about the different types of unit cells and the differentiation occur according to their age length and the interfacial angle. Today I will discuss about the different type of unit cells according to the atomic arrangement. Before that we have to familiar with a term which is space lattice. What is space lattice? Space lattice is basically a three-dimensional network which composed by imaginary lines connecting the atoms. And the the important thing of the space lattice is that the all points are actually atoms, which is considered as points and known as lattice points, should have their identical surrounding. And basically the space lattice has infinite array. Now, what is the difference between the space lattice and the unit cell is that in the right side picture, the whole structure is a space lattice, but and only the small colored one is the unit cell. That is, unit cell is the repeating unit of a space lattice, and the black dots are the lattice point, which are the atom but considered as a point. That's why it's known as the lattice point. Now according to the atomic arrangement, unit cells are mainly divided by two types. One is primitive unit cell. What is primitive unit cell? Where the all atoms reside in the corner position, that is vertices of the unit cell. This is the primitive unit cell. The black dots are the atoms or lattice point, which is mainly in the corner position, and it is known as primitive unit cell or the simple unit cell. Second one is centered unit cell. In case of centered unit cell, atoms are in the corner position as well as in the other position, and according to their positions there are four types of centered unit cells, and these are the first is face centered unit cell. The face of a unit cell is mainly the surface of a unit cell. When the atoms or lattice points are in the corner position, which are denoted by the yellow dots, as well as in the surfaces or faces of the unit cell, which are cream colored one, is known as face centered unit cell. Atoms reside in both places. One is the corner position and another is the surfaces. Second one is the base centered unit cell. In case of base centered unit cell, atoms are reside in the corner of the unit cell, as well as in two opposite faces, not all six faces, only in two opposite faces there are atoms in case of base centered unit cell. Another one is body centered unit cell. In body centered unit cell, atoms are reside in the corner position of a unit cell as well as in the center of the cell. This is known as body centered unit cell. And another one is edge centered unit cell. In case of edge centered unit cell, atoms are reside in the corner position as well as the edge position, which are edges I told in the previous video. And another important thing is that Bravais lattices. According to the age length and the interfacial angle, there are 7 types of unit cells. According to their atomic arrangement, there are 2 types of unit cell, that is primitive and the centered unit cell. Now, by combining these two types, there are 14 Bravais lattices. And one main thing has to be keep in mind that the all atoms in the unit cell should have identical surroundings, and by combining these all factors there are 14 types of Bravais lattices are available. First of all is simple cubic. In the cubic system, there are three types of cubic lattice system. One is simple cubic, face-centered cubic, and body-centered cubic. There is no such base-centered or end-centered cubic. Base-centered structure is also known as end-centered structure. Why base centered or end centered cubic is not available? Because in that case symmetry is not maintained. That is what is the surroundings of faces of two faces of a base centered cubic cell, and the other four faces where there is no atoms in the face, the surrounding is different. For that base centered cubic lattice cell is not Bravais lattices. Like that, there are only two types of tetragonal cell, and one is simple tetragonal and another is body centered tetragonal. No face centered or edge centered or end centered tetragonal lattices are available. One hexagonal lattice and four orthorhombic lattices, that is simple, body centered, base centered, and face centered. All four orthorhombic lattices are available, and another one is rhombohedral, only simple rhombohedral, simple monoclinic, simple triclinic, and another one is the base centered monoclinic. These 14 Bravais lattices are there, and these are generated by considering the three facts. One is the 7 unit cell according to their age length and the interfacial angle. Another is the two types of unit cell according to their atomic arrangement, that is primitive unit cell and the centered unit cell. And another one is the all atom should have identical surrounding. That's all about the Bravais lattices. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, then please subscribe it. Thank you.